Hi, and welcome to Cenario, your partner in mental wellness. Here on our channel, we share educational, insightful, and science-backed content to help you understand your mental health and take meaningful steps toward a more balanced life. If you're ready to learn, grow, and take control of your wellness journey, let's jump right in.
If you've ever laid in bed staring at the ceiling, feeling exhausted but completely unable to fall asleep, you're not alone. Insomnia is one of the most common sleep problems in the world. It can make it hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up feeling truly rested. And while the occasional sleepless night is normal, when it starts happening regularly, it can affect your mood, your focus, your energy, and even your overall well-being. Many people turn to prescription sleep medications, and in some cases, those can be helpful. But others prefer a more natural approach, especially when they're looking for something sustainable and supportive of long-term sleep health. So let's talk about what that actually looks like. First, it helps to understand that insomnia is often connected to stress, anxiety, poor sleep habits, too much screen time, caffeine, or irregular schedules. That means improving sleep usually isn't about just one thing. It's about supporting your body and your nervous system in a consistent way. One gentle option many people start with is chamomile. It's been used for centuries to promote relaxation. And drinking a warm cup about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can become part of a calming nighttime routine. Valerian root is another herb that's sometimes used to support relaxation. It may take a few weeks of consistent use before noticing changes, so patience matters. Lavender is slightly different. It's often used aromatically. A diffuser, a pillow spray, or even a warm bath with lavender oil can help create a calmer sleep environment. Magnesium is another commonly discussed nutrient. It plays a role in muscle relaxation and nervous system balance. Some people explore magnesium supplements, magnesium-rich foods, or even Epsom salt baths as part of a wind-down routine. Melatonin, the hormone your body naturally produces in the dark, is sometimes used for situations like jet lag or irregular schedules. If someone chooses to use it, lower doses are generally preferred since more is not always better. But here's something really important. Natural remedies tend to work best when they're paired with strong sleep habits. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps train your internal clock. Limiting screen time at least an hour before bed can support your natural melatonin production. Creating a cool, dark, quiet bedroom environment also makes a big difference. And simple relaxation techniques like slow breathing or short nightly meditation can help calm a busy mind before sleep. The key with all of this is consistency. One cup of tea or one early bedtime probably won't transform your sleep overnight, but building a steady, calming routine can support long-term improvements. Better sleep isn't just about feeling less tired. It's connected to mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall quality of life. If you're not sure which natural options make the most sense for your specific sleep challenges, that's completely understandable. Everyone's sleep patterns and stress levels are different. If you'd like a more personalized approach, you can take the Cenario Quiz. It's designed to help you discover supplement recommendations tailored to your unique sleep needs. So you can make more informed decisions about supporting your rest naturally. You'll find the link below. And remember, small, consistent changes can add up to meaningful improvements over time.
Thank you for watching Cenario. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For personalized mental wellness supplements, visit cenario.com. See you in the next one.